Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can mute a tab in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just like open a Twitch or whatever, and as you can see it's going to play, right? But what you can do is when you want to work or do whatever, just right click on your tab and click here mute site, right? And voila, it's muted. And even when I play it, it's muted. I need to right click on it, on unmuted or again muted. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can mute the tab in Google Chrome. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.